We are now going to do what we call SEO. SEO simply stands for search engine optimization, which is basically what makes your website visible to your visitors. So if I search Devin, I should get Devin AI, which means that Devin AI is optimized to this keyword. And it does not just mean it's because it has the URL Devin AI. Nope. Because this keyword is relevant to this um, Devin, to this page, because this is cognition.ai, and you see it comes next. When I search Devin AI, we have this YouTube talking about Devin. So we have Wikipedia that has got no URL talking about Devin, but it has that um, relevance. Relevance is the word. So I'm going to teach you what we call technical SEO. Technical is basically what you do uh, technically on your WordPress installation such that you can rank higher. So go to plugins and go to add a new plugin, and you're going to use a plugin called RankMath. So I've used the rest. We have Yoast, we have SEO Press. There are quite a number, but the one that I love most is RankMath. Why? Because it doesn't create too many tables on my database. It's compatible with other plugins and all that. So as soon as you're done, you'll be taken to this wizard where as you connect free account. I don't connect a free account. I skip that. I usually go, this advanced is okay. I go now to my site. So Devin is a what? Is it a personal portfolio, blog, and such things? So it's a personal portfolio. What is the website name? Devin. What is the alternate name? Maybe the alternate name is Devin Portfolio. It's not a must. You can leave it blank. This is for, let's say, organizations with abbreviations. You can say here, you know, KCC. Then alternate name can be Kenya Creameries Corporation. So personal organization name. So your name or company name intended to feature in Google's knowledge panel. So say it, David. So logo for Google, it automatically picked that up. There's what we call a default social share image. So default social share image is something that it's a page that you put on your profile, such that every link that is shared, if that link does not what we call a featured image, that's what will be shared. Go to your Photoshop and click File, New, and here you will have 1200 by 630. The WordPress featured image is 1200 by 628, but I prefer to use the 630 because I also have the other. I have another image as Facebook uses 630, that is, and RankMath also prefers we use 630. So I'm looking for a generic photo here that we can use as a featured image for Devin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just place embedded. I'm going to place his image like that. Okay, just resize it a bit because it's a personal portfolio. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for background black or something. Don't know. Just any background photo. No. Looking for another background photo to just put. Yes. So for the sake of just having a photo, let's have that. Let's have that. And get to my layers, put this one on top. So let's just have this as Devin's photo. If the background is too shouting, we can have a black background there and just reduce the opacity of this. Maybe even the fill that we have something like that which is very neat. So I can merge uh, visible, merge all layers like that. And then I'm going to save as web shop and say, and call it Devin featured image. And I'm going to do a preview here. It's still 33 as you can see. You can even increase it to 92, maybe around 100 KB, which is much higher quality. Then I can say add or upload a featured image. I can upload my featured image from desktop, maybe images. I have my featured image such that every link I'll share on WhatsApp, on Facebook, it will take this image if I have not set a featured image on that post. And you're going to go to that very soon. So I say save and continue. It will tell me about sitemaps. So sitemaps are what we call a map of your website that shows your pages, your posts, and all these things. That's why I tell you to delete bloat, because things you have not deleted appear in the sitemap and they are searchable and they are visible and they are ranked. Yeah. So always delete bloat. If there's a post you don't need, but you don't want to delete it, put it in trash or put it in drafts. Don't make it live. So include images, yes. Public post types, just leave that as it is, and then go to optimization. No index, empty category and tag archives. So no index simply means that um, when this bot, because what happens with the SEO is that every single day, every single minute, there are robots that tout millions of websites online. And they come to your website. If you have something called no index, it will not crawl that and not index that. So no index means that. So if a category is empty and tag archive is empty, RankMath will tell Google, please don't index this in your database because it's empty, which is what we want. There's something called no follow external links. So if let's say I am quoting Daily Nation, I can tell Google, please, I have just quoted Daily Nation's link, but I am not giving authority to it from my website. Now, there's what we call backlinks. Okay, backlinks with what we call a follow attribute and backlinks with a no follow attribute. If right now you mention me on your website uh, and you put a follow attribute, which is actually usually the default, Google will realize, aha, Siloma has been mentioned somewhere in this website. So he has a very good referral. So this is a very, very good thing. They will give me what we call domain authority. They'll give me authority, a beta rank because I am known. Okay, so if it has a no follow attribute, Google, yes, will see I am mentioned, but that person will simply say, I have just mentioned this guy, but I don't know him. That is the difference between a follow and a no follow attribute. So you can choose to have it as a no follow or a follow depending on how you want it to be. So you can put it as no follow. You can say open external links in a new tab or window like that and say yes, continue. Okay, but you can choose to have this or not depending on your preference. So we have advanced option. I put advanced. This is usually role manager. If you have someone else working on your SEO, this is where now you give them the rights. An editor will see this, an author will see this, a contributor will see this and that. So I usually don't manage it. And we are done doing the rank math configuration. Oh, sorry, we have the 404 monitor. 404 monitor is very good. It will tell you, um, it will let you see if visitors or search engine bump into any 404 not found. Let's say you have changed your page URL and all those things. If you have a 404 monitor, it will tell you this page wasn't found. Also, check on redirection. Redirections are very powerful. When you're changing a page, it will automatically create a redirect link on that. Say save and continue. It will take you to what we call schema markup. So schema markup is basically telling Google that for my posts, give them a schema of an article. Okay. Maybe I'm having an event website, so my posts are events. Okay. I'm having an e-commerce website, so my posts are products. Okay. Very, very, very powerful. So the article type, is it an article? Is it a blog post? Is it a news article? Such things. So schema type for pages, it's still an article because I'm giving more information about myself. And that's it. We are done with the RankMath configuration.